this video should literally cover all the needs in order for you to find where the issues are. Let's assume that this is my architecture model. And this model has a project node and a true node. So everything is set up perfectly. I have my survey point located to the right place, my project base point, a bit away from my origin. Preferably, ideally, I would have been on my origin, here my project base point. But let's assume that this is my actual architectural model. And I would like to have different units or different links into this model. So I can create multiple of them, of course, but there's a process to it, because if I create a new link right away, and if I just do a random architectural project, and if I start working, I can create, walls. Let me just create actually inner walls, so something partition walls, and then I can create multiple walls. I can create doors. I can create internal furniture. So the point here is that if I do this in this model, I'm working somewhere far away from my origin, and nothing has been shared from my original Revit model, original architectural model. And this is a kind of a concern, because when you link, you will need to move things manually, and it takes a lot of effort and time. So the right way to do this is actually if you link the architecture model directly in the first place. In order to link it, I need to close this model. So I will just close it, and I will just click no. So I will want to link this on first place. So if I wanted a unit, I would like to link. I would like to get my architecture model, and I would like to have it origin to origin. So it's perfectly in this right location. As you can see, my unit is far away, and it may not be in the right place, because this unit might be in the first floor and the second floor. So it's not in the right place. And then I would like to make sure that this unit is in the right place. But before that, I would like to go visibility and graphics. I would like to go to the side, and I would like to turn on these three. So project base point, internal origin, and survey point. And now you can see that they are in different locations. And if I do true north and project north, as you can see, it doesn't move. But while this project has a true north, which is 2.75 degrees. So in order to get things right, I need to move my project base point to the right location and my survey point to the right location. Then everything is matching. If I hide this model, everything is matching perfectly. Now I will need also to acquire the shared coordinates from the architectural model. So this is my main model, and I want to acquire it to my unit model. And this way, now I can start working on my units. And if I also have my true north set up perfectly, everything is set up perfectly. And if I just, let's say, I can just move this one here onto the unit, and maybe I could even delete this one, but I can move this one as well and adjust right now to match my project properly. So let me just align this to match project perfectly, and maybe align this line with this line. And maybe I should just remove these, and then maybe I can just do a kind of internal partition, and I can do a few interior layouts. Now, once I do that, I have my design here in the unit in the right location. And if I just do also true north, as you can just see, it's like perfectly moving. It's everything is in a perfect location. I can just save this as unit 1. So I will just save as project, and I will just call it arc model unit 1. Now I know this is going to be in the right place, because this unit 1 is located perfectly. And of course, I need to make sure that elevation is matching as well. Now I will close this, and I will open my architecture model and just do the vice versa to link it and just see what happens. I will again do true north, just so you can see that it's rotating. It's not like kind of a stable. So it's kind of like we just make a proof that it's going in the right place. And I just use unit 1. And it ends up in the right place. Everything ends up in the right way. So this is crucial to follow in this way. And the other video also explains how consultants have to link our models. This way, when they link our models the same way, origin to origin, and then they build their stuff on top of our origin to origin and acquire shared coordinates from us, everything should come into the right location. So if MEP engineer creates a model, the first thing they need to do, very briefly, I will summarize it here. What they need to do is they need to first link our model. So they need to just come here, insert, and then link our model to origin. And obviously then they link unit 1 to origin. So they link our model, they acquire shared coordinates from here, and then now the true north will be automatically, as you can see, blank new model, everything is going right. It will be good always to see where the internal origin, project base point, and survey points are, so we can compare. And we will actually, before acquiring I just hurried up a little, before acquiring the shared coordinates, what we need to do is we need to switch them on, and then we shouldn't rush. So let me just come back, undo. I will just do one more time. Visibility site, survey point. Yeah, so survey point is here. So I will just move the survey project base point to the right location. Survey point is to the right location, and then I would acquire the shared coordinates. Now everything is good. Now I can just rotate it to the true north, and everything is perfect, because if I hide them, they're all, origin is in the right location, project base point and survey point all matching perfectly. Now if I even link the other component, unit 1, it comes to the perfect location as well.
Do you want to learn more? We prepared an exclusive content for you. So if you go to hub.integratedbim.com, you'll unlock a world of knowledge for BIM, Revit, and similar products. But if you want to take it to the next level and have right solution for you whenever you need, so you don't waste time, consider our BIM consulting services. This way, we will be right away there for you whenever you need, help you to standardize your workflows, get the best practices for you, and help you to solve the issues on demand. Join us today. This is the right way to grow and scale your business.
Let's do one more practice here. So now, obviously, the mechanical engineers should actually directly work on the systems right on our model. So their modeling should start directly on our models like this. So if they start modeling somewhere else, again, their model will not match. So I will just do this like that, and I will just save this as an MEP model. Just save model 2. So let's go back to the architectural model. And one last thing, what we are going to do is that we are going to link here the unit. So I will just go architectural, Revit, architectural 1 unit. It comes to the perfect location, and I will go manage links. And then instead of overlay, I will do attachment, and I will just save, and then I will just click save here. Now we will close this model and go back to the MEP model, that MEP2 model that we just created. And I will just delete all these models. Remove link. So now what I will do is, if I go and insert the architectural model, I will have my interior units directly inside here embedded, because it's attachment. It will be treated as one single link. So it should work without an issue. As you can see, this is like literally, I just opened a brand new project, just align those things, just created a unit right in front of you and linked. So if you just follow these steps, there shouldn't be any issues. So there are some steps missing, most probably either not using the shared coordinates properly, so they are not located in the right place, or the linking process is wrong by the external consultants. So this video should literally cover all the needs in order for you to find where the issues are. Thank you very much.
If you like this video and more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, because there will be many more. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on.